Hey everybody, Thomas here. Welcome to a special edition of Oak Hollow Garage. Today is part one of the Factory 5 Racing Daytona Coupe build. I got the call from Stewart Transport. They're about 10 minutes out, so we'll try to catch them when they're pulling up. Stand by, should be fun. Behind you.
You're doing a terrible job.
Sorry.
Thank you. Hey.
What?
Come here, we're switching.
Why are we switching? I might need to help him do stuff.
Well, then let me know. You're doing a terrible job.
Well, it's because I'm watching my car. Oh, you should be clear now. Yeah. Should be, yeah. By an inch.
But usually, it depends on what color you're using. It's not, in these days and ages, with base coat, clear coat, and the way they make paints now, it's not too easy to throw a blend and then clear if you do scratch something.
Just stump. Good.
Well, before we get in there, do you want it pulled in or back in? Or have you thought of that, or doesn't matter?
I think I want it pulled in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pulled in, not back in?
Yeah, I think so.
Do we want to take the hood off, like right here, and carry it in?
Is there any difference or advantage to backing in?
You got to do work all around it, but I
So-
always tell people 80% of your work's up there. You still got to do work back here too.
Yeah.
But
I like to work on that side of the garage, so I think the
Okay.
front
So
end,
there you go. Okay.
yeah. That way I can keep the garage door closed. And, yeah, let's take this off and put it over in that bay over there. Slightly, yeah.
when I show up, I'll go up to the front of that truck and I'll take it off.
Yeah, absolutely.
It'll take me up a mile.
Gotta keep working on it. Hi, Amber. Come say hi upstairs. Come say hi. Hey.
Nobody else is here, pup.
She has a fear of missing out. She's like, there's
Oh.
stuff going on.
Should rename her FOMO. Come here, pup. Come. Come.
Okay. All right.
There you go. Okay. You're good.
Well, everything's in the garage. Got my pile of boxes. Got the hood over here. More boxes. So I got to go through all that inventory, break open all these boxes and count everything. And then there's the car. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. So hopefully I'll cut this video down so it's fairly short. But delivery day completed. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys tune in and catch more of this build as it goes. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you next time.